Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing good. And my name is Sakshi, and I am with my best friend. नाम बता दीजिए.
Malika.
Yeah, I was correct.
Good job.
So basically, what we're doing is we saw this reel that we have to write a letter to our future self type, ठीक है? And we're doing exactly that. But हमें नहीं पता हम क्या लिखने वाले हैं type अभी. We're going to brainstorm with you with this chai soon.
Literally chai ka cup, guys.
So do you want to like explain them like thoda sa crux on like how to like write it to your future self? It is blank right now. It just has
Yeah,
your future self.
Of course, if you're friends with this woman, you have to.
You would be in
at
front of
some
the camera.
point in life.
Yeah.
The reason we decided to do this is because obviously we are at different junctions / stages in life, and we're feeling different things, we're experiencing different things. So this is sort of like a way of putting it all down on paper, and just reassuring ourselves later on if we happen to read this. मतलब हम इतना भी ना छुपा दे कि हमें मिले ना ये एक साल बाद, बट हाँ कि अभी जो भी फील कर रहे थे इवेंचुअली इट गेट्स बेटर एंड हम निकम्मे नहीं है बेसिकली.
हमने कुछ कर लिया लाइफ में.
Exactly. How we made it. We made it at
Some
like
point,
like to a particular goal in our lives by that time.
Like out of like 10 goals, we achieved like 2 at least in that year particular year.
Yeah.
So that's the mindset. Baki, I don't think so anywhere.
Yeah. So what we're planning to do is कि हम being kind to our future selves that I know तुम जी तोड़ मेहनत करना चाहते थे and तुमने actually कर ली. Simple.
You did it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did it.
Exactly.
But then we'll have to remember where we're keeping this. I would remember. I would mail it to myself on that particular day, like year end में कि मैंने यहाँ पे इस अलमारी में रखा हुआ है ये इस फोल्डर के अंदर. Just open it and fucking read it.
भाई Google का
Okay. मैं वापस confused हो गई. ये बताती है.
है कि कैसे शुरू करना है?
क्या लिखना है?
Shit. Sorry. Cheers.
ये तू इतने अच्छे हैंडराइटिंग में लिखेगी तो फिर मेरा तो
मेरी
कबाड़ा बनेगा
handwriting-
ना.
I'm sorry मेरी handwriting अच्छी है.
मैं काट दूंगी. कट याद रखियो.
Okay, thanks.
Let's figure out what we actually feel about ourselves abhi.
Even though direction is there, it's sort of not.
Makes sense. Fair. But for you,
Yeah, for me.
Yeah.
For you?
I am motivated.
Yeah.
I'm anxious because new step of I don't know what step. Abhi tak.
You have too much going on.
Yeah, I have too much going on.
And you need to sort that out a little bit.
Yeah, that. This year, I think I would do that.
Yeah, know where to devote your energy and when to devote your energy.
And with whom? Major. Kind of.
Zaraka.
Because to be eager, dear. We've been nourished in a way that we do everything on our own.
True. Like I know even when I have to take care of something with someone else,
Exactly.
I end up checking their work also
Yes.
and end up finding so much error
Yeah.
with respect to my perspective of things. So sometimes
we
I end
need
up
to, yeah.
doing their part of the job.
You need to stop that.
Yeah, no. You're also responsible, partly.
But not on you. It was not your job.
I mean, yeah, that part of it was on my job. But not
Exactly. If it comes back to you, you know exactly whether you went wrong. So you can fix that.
ChatGPT करता है prompts.
चुप हो जा तू. Like is a